Hey, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do the 32 pizza rolls challenge. Right now there's only 16. I'm gonna cook the other 16 after I eat these 16. So I got a stopwatch right here, as you see, and we're gonna see how long it takes me to eat all of these 32 pizza rolls. So without further ado, hope you enjoy. Let's go.
16 for now.
All right, ready? So here we go. In 3, 2. I got some water and stuff, so let me make sure I better open this. All right, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. Hot. Hot.
Duh.
Oh man, it was hot. Oh, spill some water. Oops. This is going on her channel, not my channel, so yeah.
I think they know who channels it's going on.
Pause. Alright. Oh! Alright, that was hot. Oh my god. Alright guys, we're about a minute, 23 seconds into the challenge. Woo! That was hot. Oh my god. I'm making a mess.
Yeah, you are. You only got 1 minute and 49 seconds.
Into the challenge.
Yeah.
Let's see if they can see me. I'm making a mess, guys. My plate is full of water. Oh.
Yeah, it is. Come on, you only got 11 left.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could count.
Pause.
How is it?
Hot. About 3 minutes into the challenge already.
Yeah.
We're going to be at 10 minutes.
Yeah.
32. 32 pizza rolls.
No.
To my mouth. Drop a like on this video, guys.
Yep. The like.
Also subscribe.
Yeah.
If we get a certain amount, if we get 100 likes, I'll do this. I'll eat 4 pizza rolls. I'll eat 4 pizzas. We'll see how long it takes me to eat them.
Yeah, and if you dislike, that's okay. We'll make better videos next time.
Oh my god. 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Crap. I'm a slow eater, guys. I'm gonna speed up. Alright, pause.
Alrighty.
Pause. Oh, guys. I got a soggy pizza roll. Oh, I gotta eat that.
Ew.
Ugh.
Ew.
Oh. Yeah.
Man, look at the time, guys.
Guys, already 5 minutes into the challenge.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I already got 3 left.
How is it?
Soggy. That one's a little soggy, yes. I don't know if I can tell that's a little soggy. A little soggy. I can't.
I know it took you 4 minutes to eat that in 40 seconds.
Pause. Don't pause. Pause. Alright, guys. So, it took me 5 minutes and 18 seconds to eat only 16 pizza rolls. So, you see, plate is empty. It's got water on it. I'm gonna wash it off a bit. So, so we're gonna put another 16 on here. Put them in the microwave. Come back and we'll finish up the last 16 for 32 pieces rolls total. So we'll be back with you guys in a minute after we finish. Alright guys, we have now got the next 16 pizza rolls. We have now finished in the microwave. We are going to go back to the timer and start this up again. Alright guys, so as you see, our last timer was 5 minutes and 18 seconds. 10 milliseconds. So, oh man. 10 minutes, we want to beat. But if we get higher than that, we'll have to try to better than that. Alright, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, here we go. Oh, God. Hot. Hot. Oh. Alright guys, 5 minutes, 45 seconds to the challenge. 15 pizza rolls left. Hot. Can they see the pizza rolls? And me? Hot! Oh!